I think we have Siddhartha Khemka now joining us. Siddharth, good morning. Good to have you with us here. You heard the management of PG Electroplast. Any thoughts at all?
So yeah, I think the plan sounds good, but as we see, the competition keeps heating up on the EV side. So really, we need to understand the volumes, the commitment that they get before we can jump to any conclusion. But on the prima facie, it looks like a good plan to get into the EV space.
Okay. Hi, Siddharth. Good morning. That's PG Electroplast, PG Technoplast now, the entity through which they're doing this. But since we're talking EVs, let's talk about, autos overall. Starting with Ola Electric, never a dull moment when it's Ola, right? Yesterday there was news. I mean, we were picking up source-based news. There are layoffs at the company. Then there is Mahindra and Mahindra making big strides in EV. So if you're looking to play the EV theme, what's your favorite stock?
Yeah, hi, Surbi. Good morning. So yes, I think the auto sector continues to be in buzz with a lot of developments. If you look at the latest monthly data, even for October and YTD numbers, the two-wheelers have continued to outperform the passenger vehicle segment. The two-wheelers ICE segment grew at 14.6% in the YTD FY25 compared to a muted 0.6% growth for passenger vehicles. And if you look at within the two-wheeler segment, the ICE scooter segment posted 18% growth. The motorcycle segment has seen around 13% growth. And Honda Motors is the only player to gain market share in the two-wheeler space. So you see, while the passenger vehicle segment kind of seems some stagnant growth, we believe that going forward with the wedding season picking up, I think two-wheelers would continue to outperform the overall market. And hence, within the ICE segment, what we like is a Hero MotoCorp. Valuations are comfortable, strong presence in the entry-level segment. We are seeing good recovery in the rural market. Urban is what is kind of showing some stagnancy. And hence, I would say with the ICE segment, the better is to play through the two-wheeler segment and where we like Hero MotoCorp.
Okay, I said good morning and good to see you in. What about protein e-governance? I am not sure whether you tracked that one, but the street has been waiting by. This large block was awaited. Now it's going to be done in the next couple of sessions. Not a block, the OFS, where NSE will scale down their stake, which will be good for NSE shareholders because hopefully that moves in that direction of listing. We'll have to see how that goes. But for the listed company, this was an overhang, goes out of the way, big runway for the company. Your view on it?
Yeah, good morning, Nigel. Yes, so unfortunately, we don't track protein e-governance to that extent. But what we see is that this entire digital space doing well, both in the government as well as in the overall digital payment space. So I think this is a segment which will continue to do well. Some of the companies that we do track, not closely linked, but to some extent are CDSL, CAMS, which are again in the digital space. So what I would say is that, yes, it's a big overhang which will go away. And from here, one should see positive reaction from the market for the stock.
Sid, I don't know if you heard, we played out, Zepto has done a large round of fundraising from local investors. And it values the company at $5 billion. Swiggy market cap is some $10-11 billion. This one, Zomato is double that, 2,30,000 crores. Just your thoughts. I mean, one way to look at it is more competition, right? Zepto is getting fully funded, etc. The other way is, what does it mean in your opinion for the other two listed players, Swiggy and Zomato, in your opinion? And do you like them?
Yes. So, Prashant, if you see, most of these players are kind of building that capital to kind of play the growth in the quick commerce space, the quick delivery, so which requires a lot of investments in the dark warehouses, in the delivery channels, in the inventory, and I think that is where the competition is heating up. So while Zomato itself is planning to raise funds through QIP, it has already started generating free cash flows. We saw Swiggy with the IPO raising almost 10,000 crores and now Zepto raising funds. So the space is definitely getting more and more exciting. What we like within the three, obviously Zepto is not listed, Swiggy just got listed, and Zomato is something that we have been liking a lot for a couple of quarters since now. We have a buy rating on Zomato with a target price of 330. We also have released a report on Swiggy post the listing. What we believe is that while we like the quick commerce space, we believe that the profitability, part two profitability is still some time away, and hence there is a delayed gratification that we could see in Swiggy. So we have a neutral rating there, but the target price that we have set is about 475. So I think this space will keep getting excited. Within the listed space, we prefer Zomato with a target price of 330.